Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your go-to channel for making your living spaces absolutely stunning. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting trends in modern architecture, metal container home design. At its core, this design style involves repurposing steel shipping containers, the kind used to transport goods across oceans, and transforming them into fully functional CHT. I like to fully functional expute CHT. Like, look at this. And we all know I've been exploring that. And we all know I've been exploring that path. This design style involves reuse Colin Sporting style with CH deal. Exputing C's coming to a luff time. I like when we see, I'm like plays. We like CHI, beautiful living spaces. It is a form of modular architecture that treats these sturdy big boxes as building blocks. Whether it is a single container used as a minimalist tiny house or multiple containers stacked and welded together to create a multi-story mansion. Metal container home design is all about innovation, structural integrity, and rethinking what a home can truly be. The benefits of choosing a metal container home extend far beyond just a unique aesthetic. First and foremost is the incredible durability. These structures are designed to withstand the harshest maritime environments, making them naturally resistant to fire, pests, and extreme weather. From a sustainability standpoint, you are participating in upcycling on a massive scale, saving tons of steel from being melted down or abandoned. Additionally, container homes often boast a significantly shorter construction timeline compared to traditional brick-and-mortar houses because the primary structure is already complete. This efficiency can lead to substantial cost savings, allowing homeowners to invest more in high-end interior finishes or off-grid technology, making it a dream choice for the budget-conscious and the eco-warrior alike. Decorating the exterior of a metal container home is all about balancing the industrial raw look with warm, inviting elements to create curb appeal. One of the most effective ways to elevate the look is through the clever use of cladding or siding. Integrating natural wood panels or stone accents can soften the hard edges of the steel. High-quality paint is also crucial. Choosing deep charcoal, matte black, or even vibrant architectural colors can instantly make the home look intentional and modern rather than industrial. Don't overlook the power of large-scale glass installations, floor-to-ceiling windows, or sliding glass. Doors break up the solid metal walls and reflect the surrounding landscape. Finally, incorporating professional landscaping, such as gravel pathways, native grasses, and integrated deck lighting, helps ground the structure and creates a seamless transition between the metallic house and the natural environment. When it comes to the best styles for container living, the industrial modern look is an undisputed champion, emphasizing exposed steel, clean lines, and a monochromatic palette. However, we are also seeing a rise in rustic fusion, where containers are wrapped in cedar planks and topped with green roofs to blend into forested settings. For those with a more adventurous spirit, the postmodern stack style is incredibly popular, featuring containers cantilevered at odd angles to create dramatic overhangs and unique balcony spaces. Whether you prefer the sleekness of a high-tech minimalist pod or the warmth of a farmhouse-inspired modular retreat, the versatility of the metal box allows for nearly any architectural expression you can imagine. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best metal container home design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, the Woodland Twin Pod Retreat. This design features two separate container wings connected by a central glass walkway, nestled perfectly into a lush forest clearing. The use of large sliding glass doors allows the warm interior glow to illuminate the gravel driveway, creating a stunning contrast between the industrial rust-tone metal and the deep green of the surrounding pines. It is a masterclass in using symmetry and nature to make metal feel like home. 2. The cantilevered brutalist mansion. This striking two-story residence uses a massive brick central pillar to support wide-spanning container wings that seem to float over the ground. The upper level features deep, shaded balconies with industrial railings, while the ground floor is finished with clean, light-colored tiling. It's a sophisticated take on urban luxury that maximizes outdoor living space through its unique hovering architecture. 3. The multi-level tropical oasis combining shades of blue and olive green. This home uses stacked containers and bamboo privacy screens to create a breezy, open-air feel. A stunning wooden deck wraps around a preserved mature tree, while the upper level is protected by a series of white sailcloth awnings. This design proves that metal homes can be light, airy, and perfectly suited for warm, tropical climates. 4. The Black Forest Lookout. Coated in a sleek, matte black finish, this container home features an expansive, elevated wooden deck that doubles the living space. The black corrugated metal provides a bold, modern silhouette against the blue sky, while the warm wood tones of the staircase and deck railing add a much-needed touch of organic warmth. It's the perfect inspiration for a rugged yet refined mountain getaway. 5. The Minimalist Meadow Pavilion. This single, elongated container has been transformed into a transparent sanctuary with massive glass walls replacing the metal sides. Located in a golden field, the design features an internal wood-burning stove and a clean, light wood interior that makes the small footprint feel infinitely spacious. It represents the pinnacle of less is more in container architecture. 6. The Elevated Skydeck Studio. Utilizing a cross-stack technique, this home features a white upper container perched perpendicularly atop a dark green base. This creates a massive rooftop terrace perfect for stargazing or hosting gatherings. The bright red Adirondack chairs on the concrete patio add a pop of color that makes the entire structure feel playful and inviting against a vast hill-slope backdrop. 7. The Indoor-Outdoor Luxury Gallery. This design uses dark wood vertical siding to disguise the container's origins, featuring a series of large glass pivot doors that open onto a narrow hardwood deck. The interior is a high-end kitchen and dining area that flows directly into the garden, framed by architectural steel beams. It is a perfect example of how to achieve a permanent house look using a metal container foundation. 8. The Parisian chic tiny home, who says containers can't be elegant. This cream-colored container home features beautiful black and white, striped awnings over the windows and doors, giving it a classic boutique feel, set on a simple black wooden platform. The home uses sophisticated outdoor furniture and potted greenery to create a charming, upscale residence in the middle of a sprawling countryside. 9. The Moody Glass Front Fortress. Tucked into a dense thicket of trees, this dark-toned, multi-container build features double-height glass sections that offer a view into the cozy multi-level interior. A simple wooden boardwalk leads to the entrance, surrounded by tall, ornamental grasses. This design excels at creating a sense of privacy and height, while maintaining a very sharp 10. The Vibrant Geometric Stack. For the bold homeowner, this design uses bright primary colors, yellow, blue, and green to highlight the different modular components of the building. The containers are stacked and angled to create various pop-out sections and balconies, all held together by a large industrial silver roof structure. It's a celebratory, artistic take on the modular movement that stands out in any neighborhood. As we have seen today, metal container homes are far more than just houses and boxes. They represent a shift towards smarter, faster, and more sustainable building practices without sacrificing an ounce of style. From the minimalist pavilions in the meadows to the bold, colorful stacks in the city, the only limit to container design is your own imagination. These homes challenge us to think outside the traditional frame and embrace a future where our living spaces are as resilient and adaptable as we are. If you found these container home ideas inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more innovative architecture and home decor content. Which of our top 10 was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You team minimalist black or team vibrant colors? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.